Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making coconut biscuit. For this we need all-purpose flour or maida, sugar, desiccated coconut and dry coconut for garnishing, butter and baking soda. So let's start making coconut biscuit. So take a strainer and strain 100 grams of all-purpose flour, add 50 grams of castor sugar or grinded sugar, add 75 grams of butter and now mix it and try to make a dough. It will take time because butter will melt very slowly. Now add 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut and make a dough. If you think your dough is not proper, then add 2-3 teaspoons of warm milk. So our dough is ready. Now make a small ball and make a shape of biscuit by using silicone mold or whatever you got. I got silicone mold, I got a grater. So first I use silicone mold and garnish it with dry coconut. Then I will make another bowl and I have this grater, so I will make a different shape, press it and your different shape biscuit is ready. Garnish it with dry coconut. So whatever shape you want you can make. I am making whatever I have, different shapes of biscuit. So our biscuits are ready. Now what we have to do, we have to put it in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, your coconut biscuit, homemade coconut biscuit is ready.